Want to live like a millionaire but without having $1 million bank account? Most people dream of being millionaires so they can stop working, travel, buy nice things, spend time with loved ones, and pursue hobbies. However, Tim Ferris in The 4-Hour Workweek says you don't need $1 million for this lifestyle. According to him, there are two ways non-millionaires try to live like retired millionaires. Postponers work for decades, then struggle to enjoy retirement, while lifelong retirees enjoy a millionaire lifestyle throughout life. In this book, Ferris teaches you how to become the latter, a lifelong retiree, by building a business that earns enough money without taking up all your time. To help you achieve this dream scenario, he outlines a 4-step process called DEAL: define, eliminate, automate, liberate. Let's see what these steps are all about. Step 1. Define. Tim Ferris first suggests figuring out what you'd do if you didn't have to work. This step is about two things. 1. Imagining your dreams, and 2. Facing any fears that might stop you from achieving them. According to Ferris, imagining how your new life would look is called dreamlining. To start, list 5 things you want to have, do, and be. You want to be very specific while going about it. Instead of saying you want to travel, list the places you want to go and what you want to do there. Then pick your top 4 dreams, as having clear and specific goals helps you focus better. Next, calculate how much money you'd need each month to do your top 4 things, then add 30% for unexpected costs. This gives you your target monthly income. Now come up with 3 actions for each dream. 1 for today, 1 for tomorrow, and 1 for the day after. Start with the first action for each dream right away. Taking small steps today toward your dreams can overcome procrastination and boost motivation. When it comes to your fears, you want to identify what might hold you back from achieving your dreams. Most people fear the unknown and choose unhappiness over change. To confront your fears, ask yourself, what's the worst thing that could happen? How would I fix it if the worst happened? What's the most likely thing to happen? How would I undo this change if needed? Understanding your fears helps you control them. Fear is natural but often unnecessary, as Tara Brach explains in Radical Acceptance. Recognize fear, accept it, and let it fade away over time. This practice, called mindfulness, helps you move forward. Step 2. Eliminate. Tim Ferriss's second step to living like a lifelong retiree is to cut out things that consume your time, leaving you more freedom to do what you want. He offers 2 tips to help you streamline your life. 1. Focus on the essentials. Rather than managing your time, Ferris advises doing only what truly matters. This involves following 2 principles: the 80-20 rule and Parkinson's law. The 80-20 rule, the Pareto principle, says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. In other words, focus on the tasks that give you the biggest results. For instance, if most of your magazine orders come from a small group of customers, prioritize them to save time. Parkinson's law states that tasks expand to fill the time you give them. Set short deadlines to prevent tasks from dragging on. This helps you work more efficiently. To weed out unimportant tasks, apply these principles. Focus on the top 20% of tasks and set tight deadlines for them. 2. Cut down on time wasters. Ferris identifies 3 types of time-consuming work: busy work, routine work, and work that relies on others. Busy work piles up unimportant tasks, often to make you seem busy. Limit access to yourself to avoid this. For emails, check only twice daily and set up an auto-reply with a contact number for urgent matters. Use separate numbers for urgent and non-urgent calls and check voicemail only twice daily. Avoid unnecessary meetings and office interruptions. Routine tasks are repetitive and time-consuming. Handle them in bulk at scheduled times rather than as they come up. Tasks requiring input from others can be streamlined by empowering others to act without your involvement whenever possible. Set clear rules to avoid unnecessary interruptions. Transitioning to remote work can save significant time each week. If remote work isn't feasible, consider finding a less time-consuming job. All said, these strategies help you reclaim time and focus on what truly matters, moving you closer to a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. Step 3. Automate. Tim Ferriss's third step to living the retired millionaire lifestyle is to create your own business and set it up to run itself with minimal effort from you. This ensures you have a steady income without needing to work much. Like in step 2, there are 2 things to do here. 1. Find your niche. To start earning without putting in too much work, start a specific type of business. Ferris calls a muse. The goal isn't to change the world or make tons of money to sell the company later. It's about making consistent money with as little time and effort as possible. Here are the steps to creating an automated business. Step 1. Pick a niche market with demand for your product. Choose a small market where you won't compete with big companies. Select a market you know well and can advertise to easily. For example, if you're into martial arts, target martial artists. Step 2. Come up with products for your niche market. Ferris suggests information products like books or online courses. You don't have to be an expert, you just know more than your customers. These products are cheap to make and hard to copy. For example, you might create a martial arts workout video. Step 3. Test your product ideas. Find a unique angle for your product, then see if people are interested. Compare your advertising budget to potential income. Adjust your product or ads if needed. 2. Automate your business. Once you've got a product and started your business, aim to have it run itself. There are 3 phases of automation based on sales. Phase 1. You handle everything because your business is new and small. Learn from customer interactions to improve. Look into getting a merchant account for future growth. Phase 2. You still work but bring on a local fulfillment company to help. Choose a company carefully considering factors like cost and quality of service. Phase 3. Your business is nearly self-sufficient. Sign up with larger service providers like fulfillment companies and credit card processors. Focus on your most profitable customers and minimize interactions with less profitable ones. Step 4. Liberate Tim Ferriss's final step to living like a retired millionaire is to make your dreams a reality. It involves leaving your day job, testing out retirement, and settling into your new way of life. Ferris recommends taking a few months to disconnect from your old routine and ease into your new lifestyle with a mini retirement. If possible, travel to a different country to avoid being pulled back into your old habits. During this time, learn the art of doing nothing. Understand that it's okay not to be busy constantly. Donate anonymously to let go of the need for recognition. Explore new interests or volunteer to keep yourself engaged and fulfilled. When you return from your mini retirement, review your list of dreams and timelines. You may find that you've achieved some dreams or that others weren't as satisfying as expected. Update your dream list accordingly. Will you take the first step towards designing your dream lifestyle today? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, you'll love our other book summaries, so subscribe. And don't forget to like and share. Until next time.